PC acting weird? Crashes, errors, Windows bugging out? Don't panic. No reinstall needed. I'll show you how to fix it fast. Let's go. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Press Win plus S. Type CMD, right-click, and choose Run as administrator. Type this command and press Enter. All the command will find them in description. Once it's done, restart your PC and check if everything is working fine. If not, don't worry, we're just getting started. If SFC didn't fix everything, let's bring out a more powerful tool, DISM type. These one by one, pressing Enter after each. This tool fixes corrupted Windows files by downloading fresh copies from Microsoft servers. Trust me, it's worth it. Still having issues? Your hard drive might be causing the problem. Let's check for errors. Type this command, press Enter. If it asks to schedule a scan, type Y and press Enter. Restart your PC and let the scan run. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like to get more solution for your problems.